What's up, YouTube? Cap here, Welsh Create Tavo, Welsh Creative, depending upon what part of the country you're looking into, or watching from, rather. You're listening to lo-fi chilled beats on YouTube. It's been a long time coming. I haven't been on the YouTube or really on much. Did some graphic design for a wellness retreat a few months back. But yeah, man. So, like, totally tubular. Here I am, Cap here. I miss getting on here and talking to nobody or whoever decides to watch. Lots of changes have taken place in my life over the last couple of years. A year ago, last month, went through a divorce, unfortunately. So I am on my own in an apartment in beautiful Costa Mesa, California. And let me tell you, people, fucking Costa Mesa is fucking beautiful. I don't know, I'm just kidding. Anyway, so yeah, man. It's been, again, like I said, some time. So what I wanted to do is get on here and just give you guys kind of a live update. I don't want to spill too much of the beans until after the intro, but hope for you to stay tuned. I'm just going to blab for 15-20 minutes about stuff, and yeah, man, look forward to chatting with you. Cap, kick off that intro. Peace. All right, I'm back here, just in front of my desktop here. Just you and me. Just wanted to. Hey, by the way, Cap, thanks for that fucking amazing intro. You're fucking amazing. Anyway, yeah. So this is just, I don't know, me coming back to social media when it comes to creating. I really want to. I don't know who even watches, but I enjoy getting on here and showing people things and teaching people things, and whether people watch it, I enjoy getting on here and just showing things that I know and learn and have learned over the years. So yeah, man, that's kind of where I'm at right now. As I said in the intro piece, life is really throwing me some, I don't know what those things are called. They're like spiky and they're round, you know, I don't know what they're called, but they're spiky. Life has thrown me some of those, and I've been fairly resilient and tried to keep moving and move forward. I do the best I can with what I'm given, and unfortunately, life throws you unexpected hurdles to jump, and the way you react is kind of how things work. The success of the event is based on how you react. So I don't know. I've done a lot of reading and research and listened to a lot of podcasts, and mainly on YouTube, and I've come to learn that everything is based on how you react. And so I've done a lot of soul searching and realized that I have no other choice but to, move forward and live this life, and hopefully do it with love and compassion. And so, yeah, enough of the shit. that you don't want to hear about. Anyway, so yeah, I've I've moved into an apartment in Costa Mesa, as I said, and I have a little tiny box of an office where I can still work, and I have my vinyl cutter still here. It's actually in a closet, and maybe I'll film something that shows you what I have. But I have upgraded all my PCs and upgraded all my keyboards and upgraded a couple of printers. I'm actually converting one of them to DTF, which is an acronym for direct to film, and that allows me to do one-offs for people that want shirts versus silk screening. Allows me to print white on black, that kind of stuff. Maybe I'll film a video on how that process works. But I do want to film videos, continue to film tutorials. I do want to get into more of the tutorials stuff, like Illustrator and Photoshop. A few months ago, I started filming a video on Illustrator on how I set up a workspace, but life got in the way, so that didn't happen. Obviously, that was back when the fires were here in LA. That was a long time ago. Well, it feels like a long time ago, but it probably wasn't. So yeah, but I'm just going to the gym, working. I still work full time. I work 55 or 60 hours a week, and then I go to the gym 6 days a week. So I'm pretty busy, but I still want to make time for y'all. Although not very many of you watch, but I'll just pretend that someone's watching me in front of a camera, talking into a microphone, and hopefully you're listening and stuff. But I got another camera set up I want to play with for some B-roll. I think it's called B-roll. I don't know, maybe B-roll. I don't know. But yeah, so anyway, I wanted to get on here and just kind of update you on, first, to tell you I'm still alive. Fuck, that's great, right? Oh, another thing. I'm going to be fucking old in... Shit, today's the 9th. I'm going to be old in 30 days. No, I'm going to be old on the 30th. I'm going to be 50. 50. So hopefully the world doesn't end before the 30th of December, because that's when I'm going to become 50. Yeah, 50. 50. Terrible. But yeah, man. So I hope you like this video, maybe subscribe. I don't know. Do something like that. I just wanted to put something together, letting you know that I'm still here, and let me just tell you what my future is looking like. So let's start there. So my goal is to grow this business somehow. I don't know how, but I'm gonna grow it somehow. And when I say this business, I'm talking about design. Obviously, I'm not getting any younger, and so I'm gonna at some point need to find something to do when I can't work. As many of you know, I work in retail, and you can only work in retail for so long, because I've been there 21 years now, and it's not easy. And anyone who works in retail or who has worked in retail can hear me there on that, because it's just not easy work. It's just not. So ultimately, and I haven't really said this publicly, or, well, maybe my family, I told them, but ultimately what I want to do is move into a fifth wheel sort of situation where I can pretty much, let me rephrase that, a toy hauler situation where I have an office in the garage section and be able to kind of be anywhere, really, and be remote and kind of do my own thing and not deal with stupid Costa Mesa rent. But again, and it's just not Costa Mesa. It's everywhere. Believe me, I know. So that's kind of my plan, and I've been doing a lot of research and watching lots of videos on RVing full time. I kind of think that's my next step, to be honest with you. Um, Cheapest way to live kind of thing. Several years ago, 8 or 9 years ago, before I met my second wife, I was living full time in an RV, and it was freaking beautiful. I mean, it was amazing. Um, I unfortunately I was in a situation where I had a place where I could park the trailer and had free power and free sewage and all that good stuff. So that was convenient. But anyway, so I've been there before. I know what it's like, and that's kind of my goal. I think. I don't know. I kind of miss my dog, and unfortunately, where I'm living right now, I can't have a dog. So hopefully, I'm hoping in the next 6 months I'm in a situation where I can do that. So yeah, that's the update that I have for you right now. No, I don't really have much else for you other than I look forward to doing more of these videos and putting more content, whether you watch it or not. Yeah, man. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, emotional outbursts, you want to bitch, whine, complain, down in the comments is where you want to be. You can also reach me on Facebook, Instagram. You can also email me at jason.welsh@welshcreative.com. I'll put that in the link as well, in the description as well. That's Jason Welsh at welshcreative.com. You can also, again, like I said before, you can see me on Facebook. You can see me on Instagram. And you can also go to my website, which is still under construction, at welsh-creative.com. Until next time, people, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, hit that bell for the next videos. And until next time, people, peace.